point, where are we in the drill charging station?
So, gluing up now. So basically this middle piece in there is glued up and screwed.
Glued and screwed.
Yeah. And then pocket hole screws, they're not going to be seen in the back, so I'm not really too concerned with that. And basically after doing some measuring, I'm going to have to use a French cleat simply because it will be very difficult to put the screws through this into the studs because of the spacing there. So what I'll end up doing is putting this here, and then the last piece that I put on here will be the actual cleat itself, I think. And then I've got a spacer here, just some scrap that'll keep it facing or keep it perpendicular to the wall, because otherwise with a lot of weight it's just going to cantilever in and not going to be completely stable.
Nice.
So that's where we're at.
So if you were to do this again?
So if I was to do it again, now that I didn't have it, I just got it. Now that I have a dado stack, I'd put a rabbet on the bottom here, a dado here, and another dado here, and then use that to join the shelves. And I really could get away with almost no back then, just some kind of back to mount it to the wall. But as I said before, this is 17 and 1/8. The studs are at 16 centers, so it kind of makes it difficult to mount. So it's just easier mounting it on the French cleat. You should have iPro on when I use this.
What have we here?
So finished the drill charging station, at least for now. And so the modern charger actually comes with like some holes in the back, so you can mount it securely here.
Are there just screws that you're mounting it on, or how?
Yeah, and basically it has like it's kind of a plastic lip on it that when you push in, I mean, it's not going anywhere. I mean, I would have put like a strip, a 1/4 inch plywood there, but I don't need it. It's just not moving any place at all. Now this one, being 24 years old, does not have any of that stuff. And these batteries, amazingly enough, even though they're 24 years old, still are holding charges fine. This is the drill that bought in Virginia in 1993. Still works fine. Battery still holds charge. Of the 3 batteries, only that one over there doesn't hold a charge. And these ones that are This is new, much lighter than 20 volts and much longer run time. So I did put a couple extra bays, just eventually if this drill here is replaced by the 20 volt version, but no hurry for that. And even though it wasn't intended for the sander, since it is the charging station here, and I just finished charging this battery, clearly other batteries can be charged here as well. And then this will actually go on a sanding specific holder with sandpaper, which will probably go here, sander on the top, and then different grits of sandpaper over here. And then I went to using 2 cleats because these old school batteries are pretty heavy. So 2 cleats to hold this up. And it also keeps it from swinging against the wall. So yeah, that's it for now.